When we first started working on the house, it was a large old home in Sydney's eastern suburbs. And over the years, it's seen many unsympathetic additions. Before the renovation, the home was unlivable. Now it's light, bright, airy, and very elegant. Hi, I'm Georgina Wilson. I'm an architect based in Sydney, and this is my Rose Bay project. The primary goal of the project was to completely reconfigure it to make it suitable for a young family. They also have a large extended Italian family and like to host large gatherings often, so it needed to be optimised for hosting. We wanted to celebrate the inherent style and character of the home and bring it into the present day in a really beautiful way. As this was to be the backdrop for endless family gatherings, it needed to feel relaxed yet elegant. When we first came to see the house, our clients showed us something that I've never seen before: a bomb shelter in the backyard left over from World War II. The main challenge of this project was the disjointed floor plan. By reconfiguring the layout, we were able to resolve all the other issues, which included the home's connection to the outside, and we were able to address noise and privacy concerns. Two design solutions in this house that I absolutely love are the external louvres and the use of fluted glass throughout. Living in Australia, I'm surprised that external louvres are not used more frequently. The louvres prevent the heat from hitting your window and so are a super effective way of reducing the heat in your home. Curtains help with heat loss and privacy, but it's the external louvres that do all the heavy lifting. Not only does fluted glass look beautiful, in this home, we've used it to create privacy from the neighbours and privacy between rooms, all while still allowing light to flow through. The standout design features are the walk-in pantry with a full run of fridges and freezers that leads directly out to the barbecue area. This was designed with the extended family in mind. The natural light streaming through the front door. The doors into the ballroom with the subtle textured coloured glass. The laundry, which is designed not only to support a family, but one that has a revolving door of guests. It's my dream laundry. The materials and finishes used in this home include American white oak joinery, European oak parquetry in herringbone, Calicut jade in the kitchen and joinery throughout, French vanilla marble in the bathroom, polished plaster, travertine and sandstone, and brass fixtures. The exterior was not in great shape, but we really wanted to work with the existing structure. So we opted for these scalloped shingles that helped to soften and balance the exterior composition. It really helped to bring together the proportions of the house. We were lucky to have so much space to work with, but aesthetically, it looked like the home hadn't been touched in over 60 years. Now it's light, bright, and very elegant. I love hearing how much they enjoy using the rear living areas and the back terrace that flows onto the garden, and also how easy it is for them to welcome people into their home.